Now today we are doing exercise 2.6 of class 7th, 0.2 multiply by 6. So here we will write 0.2, the digits, the number which has greater digits, means जिस भी number की digits ज़्यादा होंगी उसको हम ऊपर लिखेंगे और जिसकी कम होंगी उसको हम हमेशा नीचे लिखेंगे. Like 0.2 and 6. Then we will multiply 6 to the 12 and 1 here carry, and then 6 zeros are 0 and 1, it is 1. And you can see there is only one decimal places and here is no decimal places, so decimal will be after 1. Now here it is 4.6 then 8. Now I have told you that greater number we will write upper side greater digits, means 4.6 has 2 digits and 8 has only 1 digit, so we will write it down. So 8 6 are 48 and 4 carry, and 8 4 are 32 and 4 36, and decimal will be after 1 place because here it is after 1 place. Now 2.71 into 5. So we will multiply it by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 3 is carry, 5 twos are 10 and 3 13. Now here you can see it is after how many place? 1 2 place. So here we will make it is after 1 2 place. Then 0.1 and 4. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 zeros are 0 and 4 twos are 8. And decimal is after 1 place. So we will make here after 1 place. Now here it is 0.05 into 7. So 7 5s are 35 and 3 carry here, and 7 zeros are 0 and 3 7 zeros are 0. Decimal you can see 1 2 places, so here we will again make it after 2 places. It is 211.02. It is 4 4 2s are 8, 4 zeros are 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Now here you can see it is after 2 places, so we will make decimal after 2 places. Now it is here you can see this has 3 digits, this is only 1, so 3 digits we will write upper side and 2 we will write down side. So 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, and 2 8s are 16 and 1 17, 1 carry, 2 zeros are 0 and 1. Now here you can see 2 decimal places, so here also 2 decimal places. This is question number 2. Find area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. So we know area of rectangle formula. It is length multiply breadth. Length is 5.7 and breadth is 3. So we will multiply 5.7 by 3. So 3 sevens are 21, 2 carry, and 3 5s are 15 and 2 17, and decimal place will be after 1, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 1 के बाद decimal लगाए तो यहाँ पे भी 1 के बाद ही हम decimal लगाएंगे अगर यहाँ कोई decimal place नहीं. तो 17.1 centimeter square. Centimeter square is the unit of area of rectangle, or any other areas always unit will be square. Now here you can see question number 3. In this decimals are multiplying, we are multiplying the decimals by the power of 10, like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000s. Whenever we will multiply the decimal by 10, 100, 1000, then according to the number of zeros decimal moves towards right. मतलब जितने भी zeros होते हैं उसी हिसाब से ये right side में decimal move कर जाता है उतने ही places. Like हम यहाँ पे बोलता है 1.3 multiply by 10. Now here you can see it is 10. It has only 1 zero, so this decimal will move right side only one place. So our answer will be 13. और ये decimal यहाँ पे आ गया point और there is no, so we will take 0 or we can write 13 also. Like here you can see 36.8 multiply by 10. 10 means 1 0, so we will move it 1. So it will be 368.0. Now next you can see 153 into 0.7 into 10, then again it is one place because 10 is there, 10, so 1537.0. Then 168.07 multiplied by 10, it is only one place, so we will move it one place. 10 is there, so we have to move 1, so 1680.7. Now here you can see whenever it has 10, so we have to move one place. Now here you can see it has how many zeros? 100, 2 zeros. So we have to move 1 and 2 place. Now there is no number, so we will take 0 here. Then it will be 3110.0. Okay. Or we can write this like 156.1 multiplied by 100. 100 has how many zeros? 2 zeros. So again it will move 2 places. So we have to take a 0 here. So our answer will be 15610, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 डिजिट्स होने चाहिए थे. अब 1 अकेला था यहाँ पे, तो हमने यहाँ पे 0 लिया. Same 3.62 multiplied by 100. Here we have to move 2 places. So our answer will be 362. अब ये डेसिमल यहाँ पे आएगा और यहाँ कोई नंबर नहीं है तो 0 ले लो. Now here you can see it has 2 zeros. So we can multiply 1, 2 places. So it is 4307.0. Then 0.5 multiplied by 10, only 1 0, so it moved only one place, so it will become 5.0. Then 0.08 multiplied by 10, so we will write one place only. We have to move one place because 10 has only 1 0, so 0.8, or we can write it only 0.8 because double 0 means single 0. No problem is there to writing. 0.9 multiplied by 100, 2 places. 1, अब यहाँ पे कोई place नहीं है तो 2 place हमें लेने हैं, तो यहाँ पे हम 0 लेंगे. Then it become 90.0. It is 0.03 multiplied by 1000. Now here you can see we have to move 3 places, 1, 2 और 3. अब 3 places तो तभी होगा ना, यहाँ पे 0 लेंगे, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 30. 0.030 को हम 30 लिख सकते हैं 0.0. Now question number 4. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 15.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liter of petrol? So first of all we will write two-wheeler covers distance in 1 liter petrol. How much? 55.3 kilometer. Now two-wheeler covers distance in 10 liter petrol. How much it will cover? So 55.3 multiplied by 10. Now here you know decimal moves only one place because 10 has only 1 0, so 553.0 kilometer. हम यहाँ पे 0 हटा भी सकते हैं, no need for 0, so we can write 553 kilometer. Now these questions where both numbers are decimal, इससे पहले जो हमने किया था उसमें सिर्फ एक डेसिमल नंबर था, दूसरा होल नंबर था. अब इसमें जो है दोनों नंबर्स डेसिमल नंबर्स हैं, बोथ नंबर्स आर डेसिमल नंबर्स. तो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 2.5 एंड 0.3 मल्टीप्लाई. It has one place decimal or it also has one place. So the मतलब decimal will be taken after 2 place in the answer. So here you can see 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, and 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. Same 0 multiply 5 0, 0 multiply 2 0. Now 5 7 0. नाउ डेसिमल विल बी टेकन आफ्टर, क्योंकि ऊपर वाले में 1 प्लेस के बाद डेसिमल है, फ्रॉम राइट वी विल काउंट. So it is after 1 digit, it is after 1 digit, 1 1 2, so it is after 2 digits. So 5 7 and decimal will be here after 2 digits. Now move on the next bigger, more digits we have to write upside. 51.7 0.1. Now multiply. It has 1 place decimal, it is also has 1 place decimal. So in answer we will take after 2 places. So 1 7 is 7, 1 1 is 1, 1 5 is 5. And when we multiply 0, so 0 7 is 0, 0 1 is 0, 0 5 is 0. 7 1 5 and 0. So it is after 2, so 7 1 and it will be taken here. Now its third part, here you can see 316.8 0.2. It is after 1 place, it is also after 1 place, so it will be taken after 2 places. 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12, 1 carry 13, 2 1s are 2 and 1 3, 2 3s are 6. So 0 8s are 0, 0 6 are 0, 0 1s are 0 and 0 3s are 0. So 6 3 3 6, and it is after 2 place we have to take decimal 1 2. So here decimal we have to take. This is 1.3 3.1. Now it is after 1 place, it is also after 1 place. Now decimal will be taken after 2 place. 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So 3 0, or it will be 4, because 1 will be carry here. So it will, decimal will be taken after 2 places, 3 0, and decimal will be taken here.